to SciTi Tech. I'm going to try something a little different. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a relaxing light bulb lantern. Let's get started. And here are the items that you're going to need to be able to build this project. I have right here a globe style light bulb, best suited for this project because of its shape and how it can hold the lantern fluid the best. Some electrical tape, thick gauge wire, and I have this spring that I got from a retracting door of a computer. I'll explain later in this video why you need it, and some shoelace. So I'm going to go and cut these hooks off from the spring, so that way I can pass a shoelace through it much easier, and you'll understand why later. Now I'm going to go and remove the insulation of this thick gauge wire. And I'm going to wrap it around the base of this light bulb just so that way you can get it to become perfectly round. And it's to place on underneath the light bulb so the light bulb can stand up in that orientation. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove the filament that's inside. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove this ceramic piece here, and I have to tell you, you need to wear gloves for this. It's very important because you're dealing with glass and sharp ceramic. You can easily cut yourself, so you have to take caution when you're doing this. As you can see, I already did. That's why I'm wearing a bandage now. So now I'll go and tap the filament just like that, and it breaks. Now what you do is you go and break the little tube that's inside by bending the screwdriver back and forth, and kind of make the opening nice and big and open, so that way you can just simply pour everything out and pull it out. There, perfect. Got the filament, and here's some shards of glass inside, and it just comes out just like that. And you have to pour it out delicately. Don't do this because I made a mistake by shaking it and trying to break up the glass, and I broke the dome. So don't do that. So now what I've done is I've just rinsed out the bulb, cleaned the outside so everything's all clean and nice. And now let's go into the next step. I'm going to go ahead and glue this wire to the base of this bulb so that way the bulb can stand up and not tip. There we go, glue it on just like that. Now I'm going to go and take this cork, and I'm going to go and cut the cork and cut the sides so that way I can be able to fit the cork into the little hole opening inside the bulb. Now if you had a cork from a test tube, that would be the best one to use, but I had to improvise. So I'm using a little electrical tape so that way it can fit in there snug. And there you have it, it fits in perfectly. Now I'm going to go ahead and bore a hole in the middle of the cork. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the spring and slip it in. Now you may understand why I have this spring. The spring is to prevent the cork from burning when you have the flame turned on, and this protects the cork. And you go ahead and put the string down the bottom of the light bulb, and there you have it. It is complete. Now let's go test it out with some lantern fluid. There we go, swish it around a little bit, and it lights up, but I made a big mistake. The string is made out of polyester. Polyester melts and it doesn't work as a proper wick. The type of wick that you're going to need is an actual cotton material, and I got this from a mop. So this is actually the better material to use, and it will burn much longer. So let's go ahead and test it out. And there you have it. It works. Lights up bright and burns properly. And without the wick melting away to nothing, it burns properly. So cotton is the best material to use. So there you have it, your very own light bulb lantern, made out of just simple parts. Thank you for watching SciTi Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more SciTi Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.